Think you've seen every woodworking tool out there? Think again. At Next Tool X, we uncover precision gear and clever tools built to elevate your craft, not just clutter your bench. From hidden jigs to game-changing gadgets, this isn't your average tool haul. Subscribe now and discover what your workshop's really been missing. This isn't just a ruler, it's your new workshop MVP. The Saker 4-in-1 positioning ruler drills, measures, levels, and marks with insane precision. Install shelves, door handles, or cabinets like a pro. No guessing, no mistakes. Crafted from solid aluminum alloy with dual-axis bubble levels and wear-proof UV markings, it's built to last. Whether you're building, fixing, or creating, this tool does it all, fast and flawlessly. This isn't your average blade, it's a titanium beast built to tear through wood, metal, nails, and screws. The TOLESA oscillating tool blade has a wavy tooth design for cleaner cuts, cooler performance, and twice the life. Cut door frames, trim floors, or slice through nail-studded wood. Faster, sharper, and with zero guesswork. Compatible with all major tools, this blade is a game-changer for anyone serious about DIY or pro renovations. Forget slipping wrenches and busted knuckles. This tool replaces 14 wrenches in one, and it's smarter than all of them. Meet the Bionic Wrench. Just squeeze, and it automatically grips bolts with 6-sided pressure. No stripping, no guessing sizes, no damage. Even on soft materials like copper or plastic. Works like a wrench, faster than pliers, and fits perfectly in any hand. Ever try cutting flooring around a weird pipe or corner and end up wasting material? This gadget solves that instantly. The Jorest contour gauge duplicates any shape, tile edges, trim curves, pipes. You press, trace, cut. Comes in 5, 10, and 15-inch sizes for tight corners to big surfaces. Perfect for flooring, tiling, woodworking, heck, even wallpaper. Super precise, super simple. You ever try cutting wood freehand and end up wrecking half your project? Bosch fixed that. The Universal Cut 18V65 is a game-changing cordless saw with NanoBlade tech, meaning zero vibration, no prep, and clean, straight cuts through wood and plastic. No clamps needed. It's light, powerful, and so precise. Even plunge cuts feel effortless. Swap blades in seconds. Just grab your wood, aim, and cut. Ever had wood kick back at you on the table saw? This one tool could have stopped it cold. The Hedgehog Featherboard uses a spiral design to lock your material tight against the fence. Safer cuts, smoother edges, zero kickback. One knob, one hand, instant adjustment. Made with tough DuPont nylon and built for standard 3/4-inch miter slots. This thing's a must for any serious woodworker. Don't just cut wood, control it. A dull chisel is dangerous, but a sharp one? That's a craftsman's edge. This complete sharpening system locks in the perfect angle every time. No guesswork, no wobbles. With a honing guide, wide roller, and premium whetstone, even a rookie can sharpen like a pro. Steel meets precision. Stability meets results. Whether you're restoring old tools or tuning up new ones, this is the edge your workshop deserves. This isn't just a pencil, it's a precision machine for builders. The Saker multifunction scribing tool adjusts into over 15 shapes to mark lines, curves, corners, whatever your cut needs. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum, it locks into place for dead-on accuracy every time. From tiling to paneling to custom woodwork, it's your layout game leveled up. Clip it to your pocket, pull it out. Mark like a pro. Every project starts with a perfect line. This tool guarantees it. Tired of snapping pencils on the job? Nicpro's Carpenter Pencil Set is built for the real ones, with a 45mm deep reach tip that marks inside tight holes and awkward corners no regular pencil dares to go. It's got a built-in sharpener, thick 2.8mm solid lead that won't snap, and 3 color refills that write on wood, metal, plastic, anything. From contractors to DIY pros, this is the last job site pencil you'll ever need, because precision starts with the right tool. You're 12 feet up, the ladder's shaking. One hand's holding paint, the other's praying. That's why pros trust the Fortress ladder. Not just rock solid, but a full-on workstation in the sky. Built-in handrails for balance. Wide anti-slip steps for stability. Tool trays and slots right where you need them. No more climbing down for a wrench or risking a fall juggling gear. It folds flat, rolls smooth, and locks in like a vault. Think chainsaws are bulky, loud, and dangerous? Not this one. The Sacker Mini Chainsaw is one-hand lightweight, yet powerful enough to slice through thick branches in seconds. Whether you're pruning trees, cutting firewood, or doing backyard cleanup, this cordless beast handles it all. With a safety lock, heat protection, and a rechargeable battery, it's built smart and safe. Even Grandma could use it. You're halfway up the ladder, one hand on a drill, the other searching for a screw that rolled away. Again, that's why pros swear by this, the RAK Magnetic Wristband. With 10 ultra-strong magnets, it holds nails, screws, bits, even washers, right on your wrist. No more climbing down, no more dropped parts, just faster work, fewer headaches. Whether you're fixing the fence or building a deck, this isn't just a gadget, it's a third hand. Tired of boring backyards? Build your dream outdoor space without breaking the bank. The Toja Grid modular pergola system makes it insanely easy to design, customize, and install a high-end pergola using just lumber and their patented brackets. Wall-mounted or freestanding, shade or open sky, you choose. Everything's DIY-friendly, insanely durable, and engineered to actually last. Tired of rough edges ruining your woodwork? Meet the Sacker Chamfer Plane, the small but savage tool that smooths, shapes, and perfects wood in seconds. With adjustable depth, razor-sharp carbon steel blades, and built-in leveling bubbles, it's like giving your hands precision laser vision. From pros to DIYers, this tool turns beginners into craftsmen. Fast, clean lines, sharp edges, zero frustration. Struggling to join 2x4s without gaps or wobble? The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig XL makes it insanely easy. Just drill, drive, done. Tight joints in seconds. No guesswork, no clamps, just clean, pro-level connections every time. Works on 2x4s, 4x4s. Perfect for decks, benches, or any big DIY build. Fast, foolproof, built to last. Meet the FlipOut by SpeedHex, the rechargeable screwdriver that bends, twists, and fits where others can't. With 360-degree orbital rotation and 380 positions, it flexes into tight spots effortlessly. It's cordless, it's powerful, it's got an LED light, and it's about to become your go-to for every impossible corner. DIY just got a serious upgrade. Ever struggle with a project because your tool just couldn't keep up? The Tilswall Rotary Tool changes that. 160 watts of raw copper motor power, up to 33,000 RPM. Cutting, grinding, milling, cleaning, polishing, drilling, sanding, engraving. This beast covers it all. 145 Pro accessories. Soft rubber grip. Zero cracking under pressure. It's not just a tool, it's your all-in-one workshop. Tired of working in the dark? This LED folding work light from Format delivers up to 1200 lumens of ultra-bright power, perfect for job sites, garages, or crawl spaces. Its foldable design fits tight spots, while the 360-degree rotating base lets you aim the light exactly where you need it. Rechargeable, impact-resistant, and IP65 water-resistant, this beast works as hard as you do, from late-night fixes to full-day projects. This is the light pros trust. Liked what you saw? There's plenty more where that came from. Hit subscribe to join the next Tool X crew, where tools meet purpose and every cut counts. See you in the next one.